In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Klaviyo with Google Ads. This integration is a powerful way to automate and enhance your marketing efforts, allowing you to seamlessly sync valuable customer data with your advertising campaigns. So let's dive into these steps to get your Klaviyo and Google Ads accounts working hand in hand. First, you'll want to log into your Klaviyo account. It's important to make sure you're using an account with the right permissions, as you'll be making changes to the integration settings. Once you're logged in, head over to your Klaviyo dashboard. This is your main hub where you'll manage all the features and capabilities Klaviyo offers. Next, you'll need to navigate to the integrations section. So look for this option in the menu and click on all integrations. This will bring up a catalog of various services and tools that Klaviyo can be connected with to improve your marketing reach and efficiency. In the search bar, type in Google Ads and hit enter. You'll see Google Ads listed among the options. Click on it and you'll be directed to the integration details page. This is where you can learn a bit more about what integrating with Google Ads will do for you, such as automating ad audiences from your Klaviyo lists, ensuring that your marketing strategies are cohesive and targeted. Once you're ready to proceed, select the option that says Connect Google Ads Account. This is where you will begin the process of linking the two platforms to work together. After you select this option, you'll be prompted to log into your Google Ads account. Make sure you're signing in to the right Google account associated with the ads campaigns you plan to integrate. After successfully logging in, you'll be presented with a permissions window. It's crucial that you allow Klaviyo the necessary permissions, enabling it to manage your campaigns, audiences, and conversions. This level of access is essential for syncing your customer data efficiently and ensuring your ad targeting is optimized. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've now connected Klaviyo with Google Ads. This powerful integration will enable you to leverage your Klaviyo insights directly within your Google Ads account, making your marketing efforts more precise and effective. Remember, integrating these platforms can significantly aid in streamlining your marketing strategy by ensuring you can track conversions and manage campaigns more efficiently. If you run into any trouble along the way, don't hesitate to revisit the steps or reach out to support for assistance. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this integration brings your marketing projects to new heights.